The Rock and Roll Almanac isn't just a book. It's a daily celebration to rock music, to rock and roll history. It's about 7 decades of rock and roll, starting from 1955 when Bill Haley and his Comets kicked the doors in with Rock Around the Clock. It's about the people, it's about the music, it's about the albums and the singles and the bands and the people behind the songs and the stories from the gigs and the tours and from the studios and the mishaps and the what ifs and the celebration of rock and roll. The book has 366 days. Every day has an album of the day which was released on that day. Today is August 21st when I'm recording this. And let's find August 21st. Ooh,